Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Wasserbauer, and here's the question. Are you ready? I'm 28 years old, and I started losing hairs at the age of 19. What procedure would be right for me? Well, whenever I get a question like that, I gotta say, I'm so sorry you had to deal with this. Losing hair at the age of 19 is a real ego blow. It hurts a lot more than people give it credit for. So give yourself time to mourn the loss of your hair, and let's do something about it. Now, a medical procedure to replace your hair at this point may or may not be the best first option. Usually within your 20s, you can actually regrow quite a bit of hair with medical therapy alone. And by medical therapy, we're talking four things. We're talking minoxidil, which is Rogaine, finasteride, which is Propecia, low-level light therapy, which I'm going to hold off on recommending until we have a device that can actually bring the light to your scalp, and various shampoos that work. But when you're talking about losing your hair when you're in your mid-20s, medical therapy is actually the best first thing. You should not leap to a procedure. Any procedure that you do should also be very conservative, and you should be stabilized on medical therapy before you go any further. I hope that helps.